Hello everybody, I want to show you in this video how you can insert a SIM card at the OnePlus 11. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and in that box you will find a black box here on the top. Just remove it like this, and yeah, by the way, here's been the phone in before, and on the top there has been this black box. Okay, if you open this black box you will have first of all a case, what is very nice, and there's another black box. Okay, and if you open this black box, the second one, you will find here the SIM ejection tool. Okay, so just remove it like this. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. Okay, take now your SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter it at this hole here at the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards. One on the top and, if you want, a second one on the other side. Which one is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It is written here. Okay, then take now the first SIM card. Place it like this, press it well, sometimes you hear a click noise, sometimes not, just press a bit on the SIM card. And as you can see, the contacts are on the top. And the SIM card has a missing corner, by the way, and the SIM tray as well, and just fit like this here. So, pretty easy. If you want, you can have now also a second SIM card on the other side. So just turn it and insert it. Like this again, press a bit also here, that's where I inserted. And as you can see also here the contacts are on the top, and also here the missing corner is on the missing corner. Okay, so let's insert now the SIM tray back to the phone in the SIM slot. So SIM 1, by the way, is to the display side, no? So on the top. And just close it well here. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. Or you can also subscribe if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.